Hey everyone, how do you like my new digs? Pretty relaxing, huh? Sadly though, it's not. It's just this. A simple green screen. Why am I using a green screen, you may ask? Because A, this video needs an intro, because we didn't shoot one when we went on flight. And B, because I want to learn how to use a green screen for more other things. More other things? Yeah. So I guess I don't need my glasses. So this is the return flight from Joe and I's flight out to Georgetown, Delaware last week. You can find that right up here. This video, as I said, is the return. We filed IFR from Georgetown to BWI just because getting into BWI on an IFR flight plan is a lot easier. And we picked up the IFR clearance in the air after we took off from Georgetown. Joe likes doing it at a waypoint or at a VOR, in this case the Aberdeen VOR, I think. I like to do it wherever, as soon as we take off, mostly. So because I was doing the radios, we did it my way. So we go from Georgetown to BWI, and basically the flight plan is direct. After that, the audio cuts out, so I'll show you guys the landing, but there won't be any ATC for that portion of the flight. With that, thanks for watching. Remember, if you like these videos, please like them and comment down below. Tell me how I'm doing. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, right here, you'll be able to see these flights as I'm producing them. With that, let's go to the airplane. Joe, where are we going?
Going back to Baltimore.
Oh, nice. Georgetown, Delaware.
It's been fun.
See you later. Great little diner. What's it called?
This is Arenas, I think.
Arenas.
Yeah.
Looks awesome.
I think it's called Delaware Coastal Airport, but it's Georgetown, Delaware.
Nice TBM on our left. A Baron on our right. And we'll start up and get ready to go. So I'll pick up the clearance for you. You fly the plane.
All right.
Once we get off the ground, that is.
Here's the 385 over here if you need
Yeah.
it. Georgetown traffic, Cirrus 385, Sierra Romeo, departing runway 22, Georgetown traffic.
Georgetown traffic, Cherokee 75 Juliet 5 to the west, 2500, going to set up 22, Georgetown.
I don't think he's quite 5 miles away, but
Have him?
yeah, he's right there.
Oh, I see.
Georgetown traffic, 7420 Whiskey, right turning out to 290 to depart the pattern to the northwest, Georgetown.
You got him right there?
Yeah. I'm going to go to the left here.
Traffic 149 Greenhouse here at 2.5 miles southwest of the field, 45 entry left downwind 27, Delaware Airport. Delaware Coastal, Cirrus 230 Whiskey Alpha is 6 miles northeast of the field, straight in for 22. Wings
Missouri traffic, King Air 333 Quebec Tango, about 11 miles to the east inbound, 2 forward wing.
What was that? I'm going to do a nice wide turn to go to Waterloo and pick up some altitude.
Delaware Park traffic, Warrior 493 down Sierra, left down 127, Delaware Park.
So I wouldn't call them until we get a little closer, you know, and I'm trying to get up to, I guess I could go up to 4,500, that's probably better than 65.
Yeah, we should.
American traffic, Hunter 1 flight 3863, you're currently clear to the northeast,
Altitude, what do we call them?
Oh, I always just call them right when I'm off the runway.
Oh, do you? Even when you're
almost
getting
immediately.
A pickup clearance?
Yeah. But like every time I fly from Cape May, I'll just take off and call Dover approach like right when I'm off, even if I'm not on my.
Now, is that guy that's, or is that somebody else?
No, that's the guy that's landing.
Okay.
Yeah, he's 200 feet below us. I bet he's landing right now.
Delaware Park traffic, Warrior 493 down Sierra,
that's
turning base for 27, Delaware Park.
No, that's Cape May right there.
No. Cape May is
Rehoboth is right here.
Oh, that's Rehoboth. Okay,
yeah.
So Ocean City's down there.
Ocean City's down that way.
Got it.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, sure. Just tell them we're climbing.
Delaware Park traffic, Warrior 493 down Sierra, final 27, Delaware Park.
Oh, I want to say final transmission to these guys.
Oh, right. But you want to go to Dover?
Yeah, no. What's
tell them where we're going. We're off to the east.
No. What's the airport called?
Georgetown.
Oh. Georgetown traffic, Cirrus 3850 Romeo, leaving Cirrus off to the east. Last transmission, Georgetown.
Actually, you just hit the top.
Top one, yeah.
There you go.
Dover approach, Cirrus 3850 Romeo, 5 miles to the east of Georgetown, and we're looking to pick up our IFR to Baltimore.
Cirrus 3850 Romeo, Dover approach, see Dover altimeter 3046, ident and say altitude.
3850 Romeo, 3,500 feet, squawking VFR.
Cirrus 3850 Romeo, radar contact, position reported, squawk 4664, clearance available, advise, ready to copy.
Squawking 4664 and we're ready to copy, 3850 Romeo.
Cirrus 3850 Romeo, cleared to BWI Airport via heading 330, radar vectors, direct, maintain 6,000.
Cleared to the Baltimore International Airport, heading 330 and then direct up to 6,000 for 3850 Romeo.
Cirrus 50 Romeo, read back.
At 330?
Yep.
Oh, that's easy.
That was super simple.
And it goes straight there. And technically now we're going to need our IFR clearance.
Yeah, well we do have it, yeah.
No, I know, but the actual IMC coming up. Or maybe not. We'll see.
And we're back. Thanks again for watching. Remember, subscribe right here. Watch more videos right here. Like this video and comment down below. And also, go to my social media. I have a bunch of decent stuff on there, if I say so myself. Let me know how I'm doing. Thanks for watching. See you later.